Simultaneously 5-axis machining is a CNC machining process where the machine controls the X, Y, and Z linear axes together with 2 rotary axes during cutting. This allows the cutting tool angle to continuously change as it follows the surface of the part. Compared with standard 3-axis machining, one of the biggest advantages of simultaneous 5-axis machining is that the cutting tool can approach the workpiece from a more optimal angle. This makes it possible to machine complex curved surfaces, deep cavities, angled surfaces, undercuts, multiple angle holes, and continuously contours with fewer setups. By reducing the need for repeated repositioning, 5-axis machining can help minimize setup errors while improving dimensional consistency and service quality. Simultaneous 5-axis machining is commonly used for aerospace components, medical parts, impellers, turbine blades, robotic components, high-precision automotive parts, mold components, and complex aluminum housings. For these types of parts, conventional 3-axis machining may require several setups. With 5-axis machining, more features can often be completed in a single setup. Another advantage is that 5-axis machining can use shorter cutting tools for deep cavities and complex surfaces. Shorter tools are generally more rigid, which helps reduce vibration, improve surface finish, and maintain better dimensional stability during machining. However, simultaneous 5-axis machining is not the best choice for every part. It requires higher machine accuracy, more advanced programming, careful toolpath planning, proper fixture design, and experienced machining operators. Because of this, the cost is usually higher than standard 3-axis or 3+2-axis machining. For parts with complex geometries, tight tolerances, or a high risk of error from multiple setups, simultaneous 5-axis machining can provide significant manufacturing advantages. I'm Chloe from TiRapid. If you have complex surface parts, aerospace components, medical parts, or high-precision CNC projects that require 5-axis machining, feel free to contact us. TiRapid provides DFM analysis, simultaneous 5-axis CNC machining, surface finishing, and quality inspection to help customers achieve more stable and reliable precision manufacturing.